Hello. So today is the last day of this year. It hasn't been that great of a year, so hopefully next year is going to be better. So today I thought we would run up to the mountains, do a little cooking video. We're going to cook up some chili and an apple dump cobbler with a slight twist. So you'll just have to stick around and watch that. So I got my cup of coffee. We're here at Best Buy. I had to get a new microphone because y'all couldn't hear what I was saying, which is probably better. I just maybe wouldn't have got the microphone. So I'll see you when we get up the hill. Okay, I'm back. So we're gonna make the apple cobbler dump with a twist. The twist is gonna be the semi-sweet. So I'll start out with some pie filling. We're gonna throw a little bit of this cinnamon flavored applesauce in there. I'm gonna use a little butter, and we're gonna try some yellow cake mix this time. See what happens. Okay, so we got the apple dump cobbler, or whatever you want to call it, going in there. So the twist was some chocolate chips and some cinnamon underneath the yellow cake mix, but my camera wasn't rolling, so I missed that part. So now we're going to make up some chili. So I'll get everything ready and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to start the chili now. I'm going to start out by putting a pound ground beef. Then we got half an onion and a jalapeno. We're going to throw that in there. I'm going to brown this up. Ooh, better turn this. Throw a little salty in there. Add a little pepper. Row, there you are. Let's take a look and see what the cobbler looks like. What do you say? What do you say? I'm thinking we're gonna cool that off and try some of that, boys and girls. Excuse me. Get that hamburger chopped up pretty good. Kind of soften the onions and the pepper up a little bit. That's good enough. I think we're going to throw that in here. Yeah, then we're going to add some that stuff. And we're going to add some of that stuff. And we're going to add some diced tomatoes, because you can never have too many tomatoes. And I think we're going to put some dark kidney beans in there. All right. So I'm gonna cheat. That's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna just throw that in there. That makes it smell like chili. Okay, we're gonna slow cook that for a little bit. And get camp set up. Get the tent up. And so we got the moon out. So we'll be back in a minute. So let's dish us up some of this chili. So some of that juice. Some of that chili juice. Yeah, we'll go ahead and turn the fire off. And let's see what this peach cobbler looks like. Smells really good. Ooh, you can see the chocolate. Of course, you guys probably can. It's starting to get dark. And I forgot to put the applesauce in it, but it looks like it's probably a good thing I didn't. So we're going to put some of this 3 Mexican cheese on there. Nacho and taco blend. Just a little bit of that. I don't know about you guys, but I always like to throw a little saltine action in there. Guys, I'm going to eat. So the moon's out bright tonight. Happy New Year's, everyone. Hope next year's better. It's almost 50 degrees up here in the mountains today. And I'm going down the mountain and it's like 32 degrees there. I'm not very smart, am I? I should just stay here. So I got camp all rolled up. I'm gonna call it a day. Next time maybe I'll get a little better footage. Hopefully everyone has a great year this year. New year. We'll see what happens. Alright folks, hope you have a good day. See you next time.